Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to show you this Salem by Forest River. It's actually a 2018 277 RKS. It's got a pretty cool floor plan. It's a rear kitchen in the rear with a big slide out and a nice bathroom and a nice layout. Before we go inside, I want to show you a couple components here on the outside. You got a power tongue jack on the front, dual larger 7-gallon propane tanks, and your battery storage would be there. One thing on this side I want to show you is this is also a pre-owned piece out here at Guaranty RV. Somebody put an awning topper on the top of that slide out. That's pretty awesome, a slide topper awning. So that's pretty cool. That's a nice feature. One thing I'll show you too is the storage area up here all the way across the front pass-through storage area. A couple of your hookups are on this side. It does have the Sandy flush. It does have an outdoor shower. It does have your city water connection. Some of your water connections up here on this front side. Let's kind of go around the other side and see how that looks as well. So this side has a larger door to the storage, which is pretty awesome. It is ZAMP solar ready as well, so if you have your portable solar panel, you can plug it in. It also has power stabilization jacks, so no hand cranking them down. There's a button right here for the front and the rear on either side. It's going to have a power awning that's pretty long. It's a pretty large awning on this unit. Push a button, outdoor speakers. And then it also has, somebody installed a solid step as well as the other steps. So these solid steps are pretty firm and pretty cool. They're a little different. They're kind of new to the industry, but I kind of like them. At any rate, let's jump inside and check this unit out. So I personally like this floor plan. I think it's a great layout. If you come in here, you have seating here, to couch here behind me. You have a decent sized dinette booth, and then you have the kitchen in the rear. And in this particular model, it's got solid surface countertops, decent areas for cooking and hanging out. You got the pot fill faucet in here. Like I say, it's pretty clean all there. Plenty of storage in the kitchen. You need that, it's good. I like that little mid shelf. And then you have your kind of recliners and your seating here with an area for your beverage or your book. And then you have little charge ports. So there's pretty nice little USB ports. TV here in the front. As you make your way this way, one thing I like about this unit is, and I'll try to step in the bathroom here and show you, it's got a nice shower. Glass surround shower is decent. I'm a big guy. I fit in there. It works. The other thing I like a lot is this linen in here. You actually have a ton of linen storage. It's pretty great. Kind of hard to get an angle of that, but there you go. So decent bathroom as far as the space. Decent livability. Rear kitchen. People out of the way there as far as been cooking or in the kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom has linens on either side. So you do have storage on either side, closets, and storage across the top. It has a little hamper bay here that goes down to that front bay. If you wanted to throw your laundry or anything down there, it goes down to that front bay. And then you have a little storage under the bed that's accessible up in the front as well. And they did this cutout so you can reach in here and grab accessibles or put your laundry basket or something kind of and tuck it underneath at the foot of the bed. Also charge ports, plenty of USB locations for charging your phone and stuff. So yeah, this also has the surround sound speakers, as you can see here above me. And if this unit or anything like that, if you have any questions on anything here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, my name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward and happy to help. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.